Assalamu alaikum dear students, I hope everybody is fine. I am Dr. Alives and you are watching YouTube channel ALEVELCAMS. In this question we are given a bowl, a goldfish bowl, which is filled, the blue area is filled with the water. All the measurement are given in the centimeter. In the question he mentioned the cross section goldfish bowl is there where y is considered as the line of symmetry. This is x-axis. So this length of cross section is 12 and it is 16. Everybody knows the bowl is just like a sphere. So in a sphere we have the radius which is given as 10. So from C to every point over the boundary we have distance 10. What we have to find? We have to find the height of the bowl, number one. So for the height we have to measure this one height. Let's say this is h1 and this is h2. So from C to this distance is 10 centimeter and from C to this distance is 10 centimeter. So y is the line of symmetry, means it is the perpendicular bisector. So this is 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 8 centimeter. So h1 can be defined as by Pythagorean theorem 10 square minus 6 square 136 64 h1 is 8, and similarly h2 square 10 square 8 square 6 square h2 is 6. So it means h2 is 6 and h1 is 8. So the coordinate of C is 0 and 8 because it lies on the y-axis. So x is 0 and the height is 8. So for the second part we have to find the equation of this circulant area, circulant cross section. So you have x square plus y minus 8 square which is equal to 10 square. This is your 10. So student, for the third part water depth is 12. This is 8, it's mean 12 is here. So this is the water depth. It is equal to 12 centimeter. We have to find area of the surface water. This height is 8, this is 4 and this is 10. It is 4. So we have to find this. If I make this picture clear, you can see from here, this is 4, this is 10 and it will be, let's say we call it x square equal to, this is x, 10 square minus 4 square, it is 84. So the required area is pi r square, pi x square, which is this one, which is this one, mean this one, which is x. So pi is 22 by 7 into 84. You have 22 into 7, 84. You have 22 into 12, which is 264 centimeters square. So all the parts are complete and you can see that this question is very easy. But if you have any problem related to this problem or similar problem, you can contact on our WhatsApp number. See you again. Take care. Allah Hafiz.